Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to read about our new chapter, chapter 12, that is algebraic expressions. As we have learned about algebra in our class 6 also, so today we will read about this one in this chapter in detail. We will perform different type of operations here. So, let us start our today's class. That introduction concept of algebra. So far we have learnt arithmetic by the use of symbol 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and these are known as numerals. We can call the number as numerals. We have used signs plus for addition, minus for subtraction, this one cross for multiplication, and it's for division to do arithmetic calculation. Now here we will use letters to denote numerals and their signs of operations. So in this unit we will study about a new branch of mathematics which is known as algebra. In algebra we use letters for various alphabets like English, Hindi, Greek, etc. with arithmetic symbol. Symbol means sign, that plus, minus, multiplication and division for the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division here. And we'll use the various letters from the alphabet like ABC, UVW, XYZ. So to represent the unknown quantities means the quantities which we do not know. So we know that ABC, UVW, this are known as variables or literal numbers or literals. Variable means whose value is not fixed or whose value can be changed. So we can take the letters ABC. You can take any of the letter from out of 26 letters of alphabet. You can use any variable here. So these letters are known as variables or literal numbers or literals. So we can define algebra as algebra is a branch of mathematics which deals with letters and numerals both, with the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So algebra means which contains both letters like variables and numerals means constant, with the operations, basic operation like plus, minus, multiplication and division here. So let us explain it further that what is algebraic expressions. It is a collection of constant and variables or literals. We can call variable and as literal also, connected by one or more sign of the basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So this is known as algebraic expressions. Now we'll read different type of topics in algebraic expressions, means how it is made, which are the different things we have used here. So first one is terms. Various parts of an algebraic expressions which are separated by the sign plus or minus. Only two sign we have to see here, only plus and minus, not multiply and division. So these are known as terms of algebraic expressions. Let us see one example. 4xy plus 6x square y minus 2x square upon y. So you can see that it is known as an algebraic expressions. How? Because it contains both letters and numerals. Letters, literals or variables all are same. It means xy, here also xy. These are known as literals or variables. And 4, 6, 2 are known as numbers. Then you can see which are the sign used here, plus and minus. So it means it is a collection of both constant and variable with the sign of basic operations. All things are available, all things are given here. It means it is an algebraic expressions. Now we'll see the terms. If we separate this various parts, means it is made up of how many parts? 1, 2, 3. And if we separate by the sign plus and minus, so you can see 4xy, 6x square y and minus 2x square y is its terms. So how many terms are there? 3. First one is 4xy, second one 6x square y, then third one is minus 2x square upon y. You can see that here we have not taken plus but we have taken minus. It means in algebraic expression generally we are using plus here. So if any minus sign is given, so you have to take at minus sign also. So first one 4xy, then comma 6x square y and 2x square y. So for finding the terms you have to only separate the parts of the algebraic expressions. So multiplication and division do not separate the term of an algebraic expressions. It means you cannot separate here like 4xy is given. So you cannot write it as 4x as first term and xy as second term. it is a single term only. We have to separate by the sign of only plus and minus. So let us see one example. Write all the terms of the following algebraic expression. First one is y minus 5x. So how many terms are there? One, and first one is y, second one minus 5x, and how many terms? Number of terms are 2. Like this here in second, 2a, b and minus c. So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. Then C, equal algebraic expressions. When we can say that any two algebraic expressions given are equal. So two algebraic expressions are said to be equal when they have exactly the same terms irrespective of their order. So I hope you all have understood what is algebraic expressions, which has only one side. It means LHS or RHS. And it should contains constant and variable with the basic operation like plus, minus, addition, that multiplication and divisions. Only three things you have to note here. That expression is known as algebraic expressions. So now we'll see first example. 3x plus 5y square and 5y square plus 3x are equal expressions. How? You can see both are having the same terms. 5y square, here also 5y square, here 3x, here also 3x. It means only the order has changed. इक्वल एक्सप्रेशंस का मतलब ये होता है कि टर्म्स सेम हो, भले ही उसका ऑर्डर आगे या पीछे हो, बट टर्म्स जो हमारे दिए हैं जैसे 3x 5y स्क्वायर, वो दोनों में क्या होना चाहिए? सेम होना चाहिए. तो हम उससे क्या बोलेंगे? दे आर इक्वल एक्सप्रेशंस. देन सी द थर्ड वन, 2xy प्लस वाई स्क्वायर, 2xy प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. यहाँ पर 2xy कॉमन है, मतलब दोनों में एक जैसा है, बट हियर इट इज़ गिवन वाई स्क्वायर और यहाँ पर एक्स स्क्वायर है. दिस बोथ आर not equal, so we can say that they are not equal expressions. Then product, factors, constant term and coefficient. What are these four things? Product means, we know that what do you mean by product means multiplication only. So when two or more quantities are multiplied together, the result obtained is called the product. अगर हम दो क्वांटिटी को या दो से ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो जो आंसर आएगा वही हमारा क्या कहलाएगा? प्रोडक्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल 6ab. सो इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाई 6a एंड b, इन तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? 6ab. सो 6ab इज़ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 6a एंड b. देन फैक्टर्स. we have already learned about factors and multiple. Factor means, for example 4 is given, so what are the factors? फैक्टर्स मीन्स मतलब ये है कि 4 कौन से नंबर से इजीली डिविजिबल हो जाता है, लाइक 1, 2 एंड 4. सो 1, 2, 4 आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 4. बट हियर यू कैन सी हियर इट इज़ गिवन विथ वेरिएबल ऑल्सो, मतलब यहाँ पर ABC लेटर्स भी दिए हैं. सो हाउ कैन यू राइट द फैक्टर्स? मीन्स 4, A, B and C. Nothing you have to do. The quantities which is multiplied together to form a product is called factor of the product. फैक्टर प्रोडक्ट का अपोजिट है. मतलब ये 4ABC किन क्वांटिटी से मिलकर बना है? 4A, B और C से. सो फैक्टर्स आर नोन एज 4ABC. चारों क्या हो जाएंगे? फैक्टर्स हो जाएंगे. सो 4, A, B, C आर कॉल्ड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ टर्म ABC. नाउ यू सी न्यूमेरिकल फैक्टर और लिटरल फैक्टर. न्यूमेरिकल फैक्टर मतलब ऐसा फैक्टर जो नंबर्स में हो, लाइक 4. सो 4 इज कॉल्ड न्यूमेरिकल फैक्टर. Then A, B and C. A, B, C are known as variables, literal factors या फिर लिटरल्स बोलते हैं. लिटरल्स मतलब होता है जो अल्फ़ाबेट वाले. तो A, B और C ये वाले कौन से फैक्टर होंगे? लिटरल फैक्टर. एंड 4 इज नॉन एज न्यूमेरिकल फैक्टर. Then see the constant term. We know that what are variable and constant. Variable means whose quantity can be changed, and constant whose value is fixed or whose value we cannot change. So what are the terms of an algebraic expressions having no literal factor? ऐसा फैक्टर जिसमें कोई भी लिटरल फैक्टर ना हो, मतलब कोई सा भी अल्फ़ाबेट ना हो. सो दैट फैक्टर्स आर नोन एज is known as constant term. For example, in this expression, ये binomial means and trinomial multinomial. Binomial expression ऐसा होता है जिसमें टर्म्स कितने हो? सिर्फ 2, लाइक 1, 2. Trinomial, tri means 3. So 1, 2, 3. Multinomial means more than 3. Binomial का मतलब होता है जिसमें दो टर्म्स हो, सिर्फ 1, 2. Trinomial, tri means 3. So 1, 2, 3. इसमें 3 टर्म्स है. मल्टीनोमियल जिसमें 3 से ज़्यादा टर्म्स हो. नाउ यू हैव टू सी द कांस्टेंट टर्म. We will read about this in detail in the last. In our PDF only, it is given in the last. We will read about this one. Now see the constant term. Constant मतलब क्या होता है? जिसकी वैल्यू कभी चेंज नहीं हो सकती या जो फिक्स हो. So in this expression, ये 3a square, यहाँ पर ये क्या है? 3 नंबर है और a क्या है? लिटरल है. मतलब ये completely constant नहीं है. So which is a constant here? -9. So constant term is -9. हमें यहाँ पर टर्म बताना है, constant term. See here, a square minus 5b plus 6 है. All are having factors, literal factors. सभी में वेरिएबल्स दिए हैं. a है, यहाँ पर b है और यहाँ पर how many terms are there? a square minus 5b और 6 है. तीनों फैक्टर में लिटरल्स दिए हैं, मतलब अल्फ़ाबेट यूज़ किए गए हैं, इसलिए यहाँ पर भी कोई सा भी कांस्टेंट टर्म नहीं है. Then see the factors of a term. You can see by one diagram that what are the factors. For example, this is an expression. Terms कौन से होंगे? -ab, then 2b square and -3a square. After terms you can find the factors. Factors मतलब जो ये किससे मिलकर बना है? यह a b. यह no any number is given. It means it is -1. Then 2 and b square. b square means b कितनी बार है? 2 times. So b. Then -3 we can write it as -1 multiply 3. So we can write -1 3 a square means 2 times a. So these are known as factors. Factors मतलब हमें उसे छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. So we have learnt about that product, factors and constant term. Then last topic is that here it's coefficient. Then what is coefficient? Any factor of a term of an algebraic expression is called the coefficient of the remaining factor of the term. Let us understand this by example. Let us see that expression 8xy minus 15x square yz plus 9z minus 2. In this term, select any one term. We have taken minus 15x square yz. So what will be the numerical coefficient? न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट क्या होता है? कोफिशिएंट मतलब होता है दैट अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस में, जैसे कि -15x स्क्वायर वाई जेड में इसका फैक्टर्स, कितने फैक्टर्स इसके? -15 है. किस किस से मिलकर बना है? एक्स स्क्वायर से, वाई स्क्वायर और जेड से. अब हमें क्या देखना है? सिर्फ न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट, मतलब सिर्फ नंबर वाला. तो नंबर क्या है यहाँ पर? -15. देन लिटरल कोफिशिएंट. लिटरल कोफिशिएंट मीन्स वेरिएबल या फिर जो लेटर्स हो. तो लेटर्स कौन कौन से यहाँ पर? एक्स स्क्वायर वाई जेड. सो इन 15x स्क्वायर वाई जेड -15 इज न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट और लिटरल कोफिशिएंट क्या होगा? एक्स स्क्वायर वाई जेड. देन सी कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x -15x स्क्वायर वाई जेड. वी कैन राइट इट एज व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स? 15 मल्टीप्लाई x मल्टीप्लाई y मल्टीप्लाई z. अब हमें सिर्फ कोफिशिएंट किसका बताना है? x का. तो हमें यहाँ पर सिर्फ x को लेफ्ट कर दो. अब क्या क्या बचा है यहाँ पर? -15x y z. तो जो भी x को हटाने का जितने भी टर्म्स, जितने भी क्वांटिटीज़ बची है, जितने भी फैक्टर्स बचे हैं, वही उसके x के कोफिशिएंट होंगे, जैसे -15x y z. लेट अस सी दैट कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y. अब हमें किसका कोफिशिएंट बताना है? y का. तो y को यहाँ से हटाओ. क्या बचा अभी? -15x y z. अब हमें y के बताना है कि y के साथ कौन कौन से फैक्टर्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है. तो क्या है यहाँ पर? -15x z और -15x स्क्वायर z. सो यू कैन सी -15x स्क्वायर z. नथिंग यू हैव टू डू. जिसका भी कोफिशिएंट हमसे पूछा है उसको छोड़कर जितने भी फैक्टर्स बाकी हैं वही उसके कोफिशिएंट कहलाएंगे. You can note here that sometimes only the numerical graph factor is referred to as coefficient of the term. Sometimes only the numerical factor. It means the numbers, जो भी फैक्टर नंबर में होगा वही कोफिशिएंट कहलाता है. For example, in 15x square y z, which is a numerical factor? -15. When the coefficient of term is +1 or -1, then 1 is omitted. For example, वी आर राइटिंग x. 1x को हम कैसे लिखते हैं? सिंपली x and minus 1x as minus x. We are not writing 1 here. Or you can say coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of minus x is minus 1. x is given single. x के साथ कोई सा भी नंबर नहीं है, इसका मतलब क्या होगा? 1 है. x means 1 only and minus x means minus 1. So you can see parts of an expression. These are the parts of an algebraic expression. मतलब उसके अंदर क्या क्या parts हैं? First equation 2x plus 4y minus y. So 2 and 4 are known as coefficient, x and y are known as variable, and 9 is a constant terms. And how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. So 2x, 4y and minus 9. These are the three terms here. So you can easily better understood by this chart that 2 and 4 are numerical coefficient, 9 is a constant term, x and y 9 are x and y as variables, and 2x, 4y and 9. These three are known as terms here. Then like and unlike terms. The terms which have the same literal coefficient are called like terms or similar terms. Otherwise, the terms are called unlike or dissimilar terms. For example, AB, 3AB, minus 2AB, minus 7 by 8AB are like terms. Why they are like? Because they have same literal coefficient AB. You have to see the literal coefficient. Literal coefficient means you have to see only the literal coefficient. Literal मतलब होता है जो लेटर्स हो. तो लेटर्स क्या है यहाँ पर? AB, 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 AB means all that all the terms, जितने भी terms है 1, 2, 3, 4 चारों terms में क्या होना चाहिए? AB. Then only we can say that they are like terms. See the third one. 5ab square 3a square b, are they like terms? They are unlike terms. Why? See literal coefficient यहाँ पर क्या है? ab square है, here a square b and here a square b. See here power of b is given square, here power of b is 1, here also 1. So you can see यहाँ पर 2 है, यहाँ पर 1 है और यहाँ पर 1 है. It means the literal coefficient are not same. So that's why they are known as unlike term. So only you have to compare the literal coefficient means the letters one. अगर वो सेम है तो like terms हो गया, otherwise they are unlike terms. Then see the next one, polynomials in one variable. One variable means only one literal factor we have to use. An algebraic expression of the form a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube, where a, b, c, d are known as numbers or we can represent by constant, and x is a variable or a literal, is called a polynomial in one variable x. So the power of x should be non-negative. The greatest power of x present in polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. No terms of a polynomial can be of 1 by x, 1 by x square, 1 by x cube. See, in algebraic expression, we are not taking in division form like 1 by x, 1 by x square, 1 by x cube. जहाँ पर भी ये इस टाइप के टर्म्स लिखे होंगे मतलब वो algebraic expressions नहीं हैं. If a polynomial has only one non-zero constant term, then its degree is 0. Let us understood this one by one example. So polynomial in one variable, इसका मतलब क्या है कि पूरे algebraic expression में सिर्फ one variable यूज़ किया है. जैसे कि 2x square plus 5x minus 2. Here you can see which variable we have used. हमने कौन सा variable यूज़ किया है या फिर letter only x. So this one is known as polynomials in one variable. If it is given as x square y plus 5xy minus 2z, then see how many variables we have used? x, y, z. यहाँ पर हमने 3 वेरिएबल्स यूज़ किए हैं, इसलिए पॉलिनेशन वन वेरिएबल नहीं होगा. सो वन वेरिएबल मीन्स ओनली वन ऑफ द लेटर्स वी हैव टू यूज़ हियर. सो एग्जांपल यू सी 3 can be written as x power 0. A polynomial in x is of degree 0. 3x power 0. You have already learned in chapter 13 that if the power of any base is 0, then it means it is 1. So 3 multiply 1, which is equal to 3. Then 3 minus 6s is a polynomial of x of degree 1. How to find the degree? Degree कैसे find करते हैं? The greatest power or index of x present in the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. Means you have to see the power of variable. So which is the variable in this expression? X. And what is the power here? No any number is given. It means the power is 1. So degree is also 1. You can see third one. 2 by 3 minus 5a by 2 plus 7a square. You have to see the highest power. Here also a, here also a. But here the power of a is 1 and here the power of a is 2. It means it is a polynomial of a is of degree how much? 2. You have to see the highest power. Then why it is not a polynomial? Polynomial ये क्यों नहीं होगा? Because the literals, you have already learned that no term of a polynomial, कोई सा भी टर्म ऐसा नहीं होगा जिसमें डिवीज़न में या फिर x कहाँ लिखा है? डिनोमिनेटर में. कोई सा भी वेरिएबल डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं होगा और इस टाइप के एक्सप्रेशंस पोलिनोमियल नहीं कहलाते. नाउ सी पोलिनोमियल्स इन 2 और मोर वेरिएबल, मतलब जिसमें वेरिएबल कितने हो? 2 हो या फिर उससे ज़्यादा हो. So an algebraic expressions in 2 or more variable with every variable having no negative integral is called, no negative integral power is called a polynomial in 2 or more variable. Means power negative में नहीं होगी. For example 1 by x. Here what is the value of x? X is 1. If we take into denominator, so we can write it as x power minus 1. If it is given as x cube, we can write it as x माइनस क्यूब. मतलब अगर हम इसे न्यूमरेटर में लिखेंगे तो पावर क्या हो जाएगी? नेगेटिव हो जाएगी. तो हमने क्या पढ़ा है कि अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस में जिसमें भी वेरिएबल की पावर नेगेटिव होगी वो अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस नहीं होगा या फिर वो पॉलिनोमियल नहीं होगा. यस बिफोर व्हाट इज़ पॉलिनोमियल? पॉलिनोमियल मतलब क्या होता है? जिसमें टर्म्स मोर देन 3 हो. ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें मोर देन 3 टर्म्स हो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? पॉलिनोमियल. सो द डिग्री ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल इन 2 और मोर वेरिएबल, द डिग्री of a polynomial in 2 or more variable is equal to the greatest sum of the powers of variables of each term. And we already seen that polynomial का कोई सा भी term division में नहीं होगा. जैसे 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by xy, 1 by x square, x by y, etc. So this type of expressions are known as algebraic expressions. See that example. 4 minus 6x plus 7x square y plus 8x y cube is a polynomial in 2 variables. How many variables are there? x1 and y2. So first of all we'll find the degree of various terms. मतलब हर एक टर्म की डिग्री बताना है हमें. So 4 डिग्री, यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं, it means 0. Here the degree of x is 1. Then here x power is 2 and y power is 1. So degree will be 2 plus 1. x y cube, x की पावर 1 है, y की पावर 3 है, तो इसको हम ऐड करेंगे 1 plus 3 और the degrees are 0, 1, 3, 4. Now out of this you have to see the highest power. Which is the highest power? 4. So the degree of this given polynomial or the degree of this given algebraic expression is 4 here. Here you can see if any polynomial is given 2 वेरिएबल, अगर 2 वेरिएबल के साथ है x और y के, तो हमें इसकी डिग्री कैसे फाइंड करनी है? दोनों वेरिएबल की पावर को प्लस करना है और उसमें से जो भी हाईएस्ट पावर होगी वही उस पॉलिनोमियल की पावर होगी. Then see what is monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. So mono means होता है सिंगल, वन. सो एनी एक्सप्रेशन विच इज ओनली वन टर्म, जिस भी एक्सप्रेशन में सिर्फ सिंगल टर्म होगा उसे बोलेंगे मोनोमियल. लाइक 5x स्क्वायर 7y 3ab. बाइनोमियल, बाई मीन्स 2, मतलब ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें कितने टर्म्स हो? विच हैज 2 अनलाइक टर्म्स लाइक 5x स्क्वायर प्लस 2y. वन टर्म, दिस इज सेकेंड टर्म. या फिर 2ab माइनस 3b 1 2. जिस भी एक्सप्रेशन में 2 टर्म्स होंगे इसे बाइनोमियल कहेंगे. देन ट्राइनोमियल, ट्राई मीन्स 3. So any expression which has 3 unlike terms. So 1, 2, 3 or x plus y minus 3 में x plus y minus 3. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. So this is known as trinomial. Then polynomial means any expressions which has one or more terms with the variable having no negative integer and exponent is a polynomial. For example, 5x square plus 2y plus 9x plus 4 in all the expressions are also polynomial. You can see how many terms are there, 1 2 3 4. So more than 3 terms. जिस भी expressions में 3 से ज़्यादा term होंगे वो क्या कहलाएंगे, polynomial. So I hope you all have understood this all the topics we have covered. So let us see the first question of our exercise 12.1. Write all the terms of the following algebraic expressions. Also write the number of terms. Terms means first one 3x minus 6. How many terms are there? Write all the terms. So 3x is the first term, minus 6 is the second term. Means number of terms are 2. 4a minus 2b plus c. So we have already learned terms क्या होते हैं. Terms मतलब हमें फैक्टर्स या फिर क्वांटिटीज़ को. सो वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न टर्म्स क्या होते हैं. अगर हम एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स को सेपरेट करना, प्लस और माइनस पार्ट से सेपरेट करना. सो हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स आर देयर, 1 2 3. सो टर्म्स आर 4a minus 2b and c. And how many terms? Total 3 terms. Like this you have to solve third and fourth one. Then see the fifth one. a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Separate the various parts. a cube comma b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. These are the terms. And how many terms? 1 2 3 4. So number of terms are 4. So 3 questions are given you as a homework which you have to solve by yourself.